Okay, in this video I'm going to show you or give you an explanation on why you are having such a low FPS on Overwatch, for example. As you can see here, this is an Overwatch benchmark for Overwatch 2. This guy is getting 371 FPS, but for example, you might only get 30 or 60 FPS, right? That is because the shader cache. You know, the process is called shader compiling. Shader compilation is the process by which OpenGL is also applied on Overwatch 2, which I have experienced when I switch into this GPU. Here's my GPU. As you can see, it is an RX 6700 XT2. So the culprit on the cause of why you are having such a low FPS is because of this process here. It is a shader compilation. So and then how to fix this is just you have to wait for several minutes after you open the game. Let me open the game. You just have to wait for several minutes until the FPS has stabilized, and then you're good to go. Let me just open my Overwatch 2 here. I'm opening up from Steam. The results might vary because I don't have the same CPU as him. I'm using a very old CPU. I know it's a bottleneck, but I'm here just because for low FPS at the first several minutes when you start the game. Like this. See, at first I only have 5 FPS, then I gradually get 50. It's getting higher now to 60. Then you just have to wait. You just have to be patient, really. Let's get into practice range and let's see how long till we get our FPS stabilized. You can search it up on everywhere. You can search it up on Reddit. Everywhere. The culprit is really the shader cache. As you can see here, I'm getting a very low FPS, despite I'm having AMD. As you can see here, everything is on low because I don't really care about the graphics so much when I'm playing this game. See, it's getting higher and higher. This is the fix and the only solution for AMD. But if you really hate AMD that much, there is no other solution than this except by selling your AMD for Nvidia Graphic Card. And this is just it. You can try switching your driver, you can try DDU, you can try AMD Clean Utility, and it wouldn't do much because it is really the driver fault. Now I have my full FPS, which is 280. It's getting 300 now. It's getting higher and higher, and there you go. You will only experience this at first, and then it will get fixed slowly as the shader finishes its compilation. So
I leave flames in my wake.
300. At first it was 5 FPS right at the login page. There you go, guys. No fix other than this. Even though if you go through all the AMD settings on the app, let me open it up quick. On your right.
What's your next move?
See, even though I have my CPU utilization at 100, doesn't really mean that much because it is a driver issue after all. Here, my temperature, right? What's my temperature? I'm in game now. I have high FPS, right? Look at this, my temperature. It's not even moving. My GPU only consumes 50 watt. And for my game settings, here I have 21 FPS on average, and I have everything on turn on because they're useless. It is a shader compilation issue. You just have to let it do its own thing, and it will get stabilized on its own. I hope this video helps. Yeah, that's it.